Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, let's see, today would be the 18th day of February. Time as I make this is 4:27 a.m., and the temperature at the Montgomery Airport at the 4 o'clock hour is 35. It's a little too late to set up outside, so I'm doing that here on the couch this morning. Yesterday was a pretty cool day compared to normal. We were 54 for a high temperature. The normal high is 65. Today, I think we'll tack on about 5 or 6 degrees to yesterday's high. So all in all, today, not a bad day in the month of February, but there is some colder air on the way as another Arctic plunge is on the not too distant horizon. In fact, clouds will increase later in the day. I've got us in a sun and cloud mix for much of the day, cloudy tonight, but we're dry through the evening hours if you have evening plans. However, the chance of rain and showers begins and becomes likely in the overnight hours and continues into Wednesday morning ahead of the Arctic cold front, which is moving through, and that will cause temperatures to turn sharply colder, windy colder tomorrow, and the low on Wednesday night will be around, I've got us around 24, by dawn on Thursday, and wind chills will be in the teens, and then even colder, Thursday's high temperature may only reach the lower 40s. That's a slap in the face here in this part of the world, especially after those warm days we had earlier in the month. We began the month with several days of temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s, and so this is really going to be challenging. So Thursday's high around 42. I have us near 20 on Friday morning with wind chill factors in the low to mid-teens. Hey, Chase. Hi. That's my dog, Chase, right over there. And then things will start to recover over the weekend. Still well below normal, but not quite as cold. Thursday night, and Friday morning would be the coldest, and then temperatures recovering maybe back into the low 70s by the time we get into Tuesday of next week. All right, I don't see any severe weather in our future. Thank God for that. 2 more tornado surveys yesterday. One in southern Tallapoosa County. That tornado was less than a mile long as far as its path, but that was an EF1. And another tornado started near the Montgomery County, Macon County line, not too far from Cecil. That went 8 miles. That was an EF1 as well. So we now have 3 tornado surveys from that late Saturday night, Sunday morning system. And in the blog section below, there's a link to the details of those surveys. You can find out exactly where all the information on those surveys. Okay, this morning everything is normal, including live on the radio 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. Another forecast discussion, which is what this is, in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. If you're watching on YouTube, there's instructions on how to get to our blog with all the graphics and cool information, including the 10-day forecast, in the description section below on our website, on Facebook, on Twitter, X, whatever, and also on our weather app. That's it. Have a great day today, and you can always find my forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations. That would be the Blue Water family of stations. Have a great day.